Whew. So are you ready for this? Let me just flip her around so you guys can see how gorgeous this little human being is. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We figured that we would just come on here and do like a quick introduction because I feel like it only makes sense since we have a new member to the family. Yeah, you're smiling, aren't you? Yes, I wanted to kind of film this video as an update as opposed to just posting like my regular videos because I feel like this needed to come first. So our little baby is here, our little princess is here, and her name is Kayla Idia Osayi, right? So she's here. She has been here for a little bit over a month and she is so gorgeous, aren't you, baby? I felt like twinning today, but I couldn't find the purple shirt because all I got for her were pink. But at the end of the day, we're like in the same, color family. But this was the same dress that I wore when I did the, 9-month pregnancy reveal. And I felt it would make sense to come and do another reveal, but with you this time around because, yeah, why not? And let me just flip her around so you guys can see how gorgeous this little human being is. But she's looking at the ring light. She's already getting used to being a content creator. But this is our little bundle of joy. This is my chubby. Yeah. This is my princess. This is my little me. Does she look like me? I like her dad. You look like mommy, don't you? You look like mommy, don't you? I wanted to do like a live update, 1 month postpartum, baby update. Look at this cutie booty puppy. Yep. So she was born on the 26th of February 2023 and she is so perfect. She was weighing about 3.27 kg. She was about 51 centimeters tall. She's beautiful, healthy, 100%. Look at you looking so cute. Yeah, and I did vlog the experience, but listen, what we went through was intense, but it was fast at the same time. That's the way. Need to push. Yep. I think you're ready. Oh, fucking shit. Pressure. I'm at this point where I'm kind of contemplating on whether or not I wanted to upload it, or even because to even get myself to edit it is giving me some PTSD vibes because it was a lot, and I feel like at this point, 1 month after, we have kind of forgotten the experience because we have healed through it, and everything is looking so good and so beautiful. I'll probably do a story time, but I filmed a story time already for the birth vlog and I'm still kind of contemplating on whether or not I want to release it. But if you guys are interested, let me know down in the comment section. But listen, I'm in a point whereby if I'm gonna have a third baby, I'm definitely going to be taking medication because I feel like with my birthing experience, it goes really fast. So the process for casting after I was induced, after my water broke, after they broke my water, took about 2 hours, which was fast for a first time birth. So this time around, my midwives were telling me that it's going to be faster. And I thought I was prepared for it, but I wasn't, because this time around, it took about 30 minutes before I started pushing after they had broken the water. And let me tell you, I was 5 centimeters dilated before they broke the water. So after they broke the water, it took about 30 minutes before I'm cringing a little bit, before I had the urge to push. And yeah, 30 minutes. So I feel like this third one is going to be really, really, really quick and maybe even really, really, really painful. And I'm like, I can't believe you are mine. We're going to be creating some really dope, cool content because your mama is a dope ass content creator and you've got that content creation blood and genes and looks in you. So you were born for this. Yeah. I can't wait for you to grow up and be your own person, be your own boss, and then discover yourself at the same time. But yeah, 1 month later, we are healed. I feel like I want to do a 1 month tummy transformational journey. Our tummy has reduced about, you want to sleep, about 80%. So I need to kind of work out the remaining 20% so that way we can be ready for summer. So this summer, I'm gonna summer it out. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, you have any questions regarding experience, motherhood, birth, postpartum, whatever it is, let me know down in the comment section. Oh my goodness, aside from the sleepless nights, which have gotten better now, all things considered, we are doing amazing. So this is us. This is me. Look at my baby. At this point, being a mom of 2, I don't even know how to feel, because I feel like my kids are twins based on the age difference. Because Carson is still like pretty much a baby. He can't even talk. He's walking now. He's basically running now. He's jumping and doing all of that. So they are both like babies, and I want to say that they are like twins based on their age difference, like I said. But at the end of the day, I feel like everything in life happens for a reason, and God would never give you what you cannot handle. That is like my slogan, and I feel like this is God's purpose for me. Yeah, so my baby wants to sleep, so we're gonna wrap this video up. Just wanted you guys to meet her officially, in case you guys see her in my future videos. You're not new to her, and she's not new to you as well. Okay, so this video was pretty much a last-minute video because I have tons of content that I wanted to upload, but I wanted to kind of put this one out first, unplanned, unscripted, just kind of introducing you guys to our new life and our new family member. And you guys are also family members, and I wanted you guys to meet her as well. But yeah, to everyone who has followed us through this process, I really do appreciate you. For everyone who has said amazing things, congratulations, likes, shares, comments, messages, prayers, body contact. So something about her, she loves body contact, and I think I'm the one that is spoiling her too much. But she loves it, and I love it too. I can't even lie. But yeah, guys, for everyone who said really nice things, congratulatory messages, prayers, likes, shares, we're truly appreciative, aren't we, boo boo? Yeah, we're really appreciative. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this journey and for sharing your love with us at the same time. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, in the next one. We're gonna be doing a lot of vlogs, a lot of get ready with me, a lot of shower time, a lot of baby routine, I guess. This is a new era, this is a new life for me. And one thing about YouTube, I've learned about YouTube, is being able to adapt to your current situation. Because sometimes I feel like we overthink this, and by overthinking it, we're thinking, oh my god, should I include this to my content? When you're thinking and you're overthinking and you feel like you can't adapt to your normal life, it kind of depresses you on this journey, on this YouTube journey. So I don't want to get depressed. I don't want to feel like I can't be who I am, because this is who I am now. I am a mom of 2. So I'm being able to incorporate that in all that I do, whether it's a business, whether it's a lifestyle, whether it's content wise, makes me whole, right? Because it means that I don't have to shelter or hide or pretend to be who I'm not. So yeah, this is who I am. This is the best. See, she's sleeping. This is the best version of me that I've experienced and I've had in a while, and I'm so grateful for this experience and for you to be mine. I don't want to cry, but yeah. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay blessed. Bye guys.